It's Friday the 13th of March 2020. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. The Avengers will assemble at Disney's California Adventure from July 18th, which was announced as the opening date for the Avengers Campus. They also gave us the name for their new dark ride that's going to open on that day, called Web Slingers, a Spider-Man adventure. Disneyland Resort is closing from tomorrow, the 14th of March, because of coronavirus fears. Walt Disney World and Disneyland Paris are also closing at the end of Sunday's Day of Trade. Universal Hollywood is going to close from tomorrow until at least the 28th of March. They also postponed their Peacock Live Hard Ticket event, which was meant to be on the 28th and 29th of March. Universal Orlando is closing at the end of the close of business on Sunday as well. Tokyo Disney and Universal Japan have extended their closures until at least early April. In contrast, Disneyland Shanghai has started a phased reopening, with the resort hotels and select shopping and dining experiences reopening this week. Busch Gardens' much anticipated new coaster I Am Gwazi has had its track complete this week. That is it for this week's Theme Park News in a minute. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the section down below. We will probably be back on Sunday with a video, I'm not quite sure. So tune into YouTube for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.